SPSS into my MacBook. So ito na yung ginagamit ko. Okay. Am I clear in terms of your audio, guys? Kindly message me via chat box, guys, if it is clear. Ayaw kumanda ng headset ko dito sa laptop na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong problema. Okay. Okay. Guys, am I clear in terms of my audio? Clear ba yung audio? Can I have a thumbs up if it is clear? Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, let's proceed. Also guys, kindly message me pag nawawala yung internet connection ko kasi bumabagal ang internet fee ko sa Pakati from time to time. And also, medyo may problema yung video ko. So, hindi naman na mukha ko ang mahalaga dito. Ang mahalaga dito ay ang eto. Yan. Nakikita nyo na ba guys? Yung SPSS. Yan. So, I hope nakikita nyo siya. Okay. Yan. So, for today, we're going to, what do you call this? We're going to, ano nangyari? So we're going to open new data set. Okay. I'd also hope guys na nakapag-download na kayo ng inyong SPSS. Ayun na, bumibitaw ng aking okay. Yun, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Okay. Teka lang guys ha. And medyo bumibitaw ang SPSS natin. Wait. Ayan. So, ito na. Okay. Ayan. So, I do hope that you're able to witness the SPSS. So usually this is the feature of the SPSS that you're about to navigate. Okay? And so para siyang Microsoft Word or para siyang Excel. Okay? But of course, this is more maraming features or medyo hindi kayo familiar with the icons and so on and so forth. But the navigation is almost similar with a Microsoft Excel. Okay? And so this is the data view. The data view, this is the part where you can type or encode your data set or the figures. Okay? And also we have the variable view. Okay? So variable view, this is where you can encode the names or other specifications of your variable. Okay, so data view, okay, variable view. Data view, numbers, figures, or letters. Variable view, this is where you're going to name your variables or state the specifications of your um, variable. Okay, and also here, you're able to notice you have this file. Dito, very Microsoft Excel to, no? Pwedeng new, mag-open ka ng new data set or open, new data or past data. Then import. Okay, pwede ka mag-import sa Excel. Once you have it, automatically, matatransfer yung file mo or yung data mo sa Excel into SPSS. Okay, also text. Okay, then so and so forth. Okay, ano pa? Yan, kikita nyo. So usually, ginagamit lang naman natin ito, new, open, or import data pagdating dyan. And of course, if you want to save, ito. Okay, I know you're familiar with that. Mas techy pa kayo kaysa sa akin, di ba? And also, edit, yan, undo, redo, okay? View, data, ayan. So, pwedeng grid lines, adjustment ng grid lines or appearance, dito lang naman siya. So, di naman siya ganong crucial in terms of the navigation of SPSS. Transform, okay, ito rin, usually hindi rin naman natin siya magagamit talaga. Okay, graphs, siguro during your descriptive stat, you can, what do you call this? You can utilize this. Okay, ayan, ang dami yung pwedeng pagpilian dyan. Okay, but again, as far as our class is concerned, medyo hindi natin siya may-utilize. Okay, utilities, ganun din, extension, window, and help. Okay, ang pinakagagamitin talaga natin dyan, ito, data, variable view, and at the same time, ito, sa analyze. Because this is the list where we can see all the statistical treatment of the data that we can use in terms of statistics. Yan, reports, ito, descriptive statistics, ano pa ba? Ito, compare means for parametric. Okay, regression for prediction. We have linear, binary, multinomial. Of course, you're going to encounter this to your other courses in the future. Okay. Ano pa? Ito, non-parametric test, magagamit din natin to. Okay. Ano pa ba? Yan. Correlation, ito, bivariate for Pearson R, partial, and so on and so forth. Okay. So again, since our course is experimental psychology, we're going to focus here. Okay, this one. Um, compare means, and this one, the non-parametric test. Okay, and so are you ready, guys? This is very easy to navigate. No? Okay. Though at the beginning, you're going to experience some anxiety, pero isipin na nagma-Microsoft Excel lang kayo. Okay? And now, nung nag-PhD ako, ang pinapagamit sa amin, Excel and then SPSS. Pero kasi, medyo, for me, mas nahihirapan ako sa Excel than SPSS. And majority ng mga statistical tests, mas makikita mo sa SPSS than Excel. So I ought to use what do you call this? SPSS. Although may Jamovi naman. Si Jamovi naman is tawag dito, parang simplified SPSS siya. Okay? So as far as skills, skills-wise and competency, mas gusto kong gamitin natin yung SPSS kasi pag use ka na sa SPSS, mas madali mo na lang din mananavigate yung ibang applications. Okay, so parang pag use ka sa SPSS, mas madali mong mananavigate yung Excel, yung Jamovi, or other applications. Okay, that's why mas prefer ko to si SPSS. And I do hope na kakuha kayo ng crack version ng SPSS. Or meron din namang free trial version ng SPSS. Pero if I'm not mistaken, that is just exclusive for 20 days. You can have it naman. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, kung today kayo nag-download ng SPSS, tapos gagamitin natin siya hanggang last week ng January. So in a way, aabot naman siya if you're going to use the free trial. Okay? Or yung free version ng SPSS. Okay? Ayan. So, saan nyo unang gusto magsimula? Mhm. Okay, so walang sumasagot. Siguro magsimula na lang tayo kay kay tawag dito, kay One Way Anova. Okay po. Yan. So again, as I mentioned, we have data view and we have variable view. So here, okay, sa data view natin, itatype yung mga figures and so forth or yung results ng questionnaire or survey na pinload natin. Okay? Ayan. So, let's say for example, this column has something to do with gawin nating learning type. Okay? Yung level na to learning type. Or hindi, siguro ganito. Ang gawin na lang natin dito sa column 1, yung groupings. Okay? So here, pwede nating ilagay yung groupings nila. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Guys, this is just hypothetical data or data. Okay? So wala po itong katotohanan. Ito ay mga invento ko lamang. Yan. Tapos, ang gawin natin, yung column number 2 natin, gawin nating resilience level. Na yung resilience level is magre-range from, let's say, 20 to 100. Okay? So again, yung independent variable natin, let's say for example, ay psychotherapy. Tapos, yung ating dependent variable ay resilience level. Okay? Are you with me, guys? I hope so. Okay. Now, hypothetical lang ulit to. So, let's say for example, ito yung resilience level niya. Again, magre-range siya ng 20 to 100. Okay, then gawin natin 67. Dito naman, gawin natin ay, okay, sige. Ayan, so kompleto na. Okay, so let's say for example, di ba natapos na tayo magpa-questionnaire and so forth. Ayan na, nagkaroon na tayo ng values, so na-encode na natin siya dito. So right after the data view, we're going to proceed with we'll be proceeding with variable view, and this we're going to specify or give specifications to our variable. So sa column 1, it's something to do with psychotherapy. Okay? Numeric siya. Yes, it should be numeric. Okay, with decimal, wala naman tayong masyadong pakialam dyan. Label, wala din. Okay, later on dito, i-specify natin siya. Okay, ano pa? Missing, wala naman. Columns, wala. Huwag na natin pakialaman yan. Okay, eto. Okay. Teka lang, ang daming lumalabas dito sa laptop. Okay, yan. So, ang gawin natin dito sa measure. Okay? Ano ba yung measure natin? Again, one-way ANOVA. Okay? One-way ANOVA. So, ang independent variable natin is, ano? Di ba category with at least how many levels? 3. Okay? Tapos, ang ating dependent variable should be interval and ratio. Okay po? Yan. So, nominal to. Ngayon, okay na tayo dyan. Pero dito, kailangan natin magbigay ng values. Kasi, pag nominal ang measurement mo, you need to substitute with values or you need to include your values or to name your values. Okay, paano yun? Kumari yung 1. Yung 1 natin, ano ba yung type of psychotherapy number 1 natin? Let's say, for example, is reality therapy. And then we're going to click add. Okay? The next, number 2 natin, ang label na ilalagay natin dito, let's say for example, is cognitive behavioral therapy. Okay? And the number 3 natin, ang pwede nating ilagay dito, let's say for example, value niya number 3, ano ba, mag-isip pa tayo ng psychotherapy. Narrative therapy. Okay? And then, add. Okay na ba? Yes, okay na yun. Okay? So, pag pumunta dito tayo sa data view, tapos pinindot natin itong, eto, yung value labels, pansinin nyo. Okay? You're able to view kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng 1, 2, and 3. Kasi again guys, kailangan yung nasa column natin numeric kasi nga again, SPSS is for quantitative data. So as much as possible, everything should be numerical. Okay, so ito, kita niyo sa substitute ko siya pag kinilik ko yung value levels. And then let's proceed with variable view. Next naman yung dependent variable natin. Ang dependent variable natin ay resilience. Ay, tama ba spelling ko ng resilience? Hindi ko sure kung tama yung spelling ko. Okay. So again, numeric pa rin tayo. Okay. Values natin, none. Okay. Pero ang measurement natin ay scale. Pag sinabi nating scale, it's either interval or ratio. Okay. Tandaan niyo na. Pag nominal, ito, nasabi na natin ito, categorical. Pag ordinal, rank. Pag interval ratio or with absolute zero value or no absolute zero value, scale yon. So yung scale, it pertains to interval and ratio. Huwag ko kayong malilito. Baka sabihin, ay, bakit wala yung interval dito? Bakit wala yung ratio dito? Ito po yun, yung scale. Pinagsama na sila dito. Okay po? Ayan. And then, balik tayo dito. Ayan, nakikita na natin. Psychotherapy, okay, ito yung independent variable natin with 3 levels. Okay, again, ano yung 3 levels natin? Or group, we have reality therapy, we have CBT, tsaka narrative therapy. At ang gusto nating malaman, okay, ano dito sa psychotherapy na to ang pinaka magdudulot ng resilience? Let's see. Okay, i-analyze natin. So, saan tayo pupunta? So, punta tayo sa analyze, as I mentioned a while ago, and then we're going to proceed with compare means. Nasaan yung compare means? Ayan. Tapos, eto na. Kita nyo na, no? Anong gagamitin natin? Ito, one-way ANOVA. Okay? Ayan. Then here, okay, dito, i-click natin ano yung dependent list at ano yung factor. So dependent list, ito yung dependent variable natin. So ito yung resilience. Lagay lang natin dito. And then sa factor natin, this is the psychotherapy. Let's put that in the factor. Okay? Very goods. Yan, goods na tayo dyan. Okay? But then, of course, we really need to consider the other information about this. Let's say, for example, post hoc. Okay? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng post hoc? Ang post hoc, ginagamit natin ito kasi di ba, dito sa one-way, ano ba, we have multiple comparison. Can you follow? Kasi di ba ilang groups meron tayo sa independent variable natin? Ilang levels? We have 3. So ang gagawin one way ano ba is to compare natin si reality therapy kay CBT. Can you follow? Si CBT kay narrative therapy. That's second, another comparison. And then si narrative, i-compare siya kay reality therapy. That's the third comparison. So si post-hoc, pag na-determine ng one-way ANOVA na may significant difference, aalamin ni post-hoc sa tatlong comparison na yan, nasaan yung significant difference. So yun yung purpose ni post-hoc. Okay, now, according to literature and according sa mga researcher, ang lagi nilang ginagamit siya Fay or pwede rin si Tuki or Tuki SB. Okay? Pero for the sake of uniformity, ang gagamitin natin ay si Tuki. Ayan. I'm just going to highlight that or to click Tuki. And then significance level. Alam naman natin, ito, paulit-ulit na to, significance level natin laging 0.05 kasi ito yung acceptable sa social sciences. Okay? So ito yung gagamitin natin. So social work, psychology, education, 0.05 yan. Pero again, if your research is connected with medicine or sa pharmacy, naku, kailangan 0.01 ka. Okay? Dapat ang chances na magkamali ka ay 1% lang. 'Di ba? Pero pag social sciences, pwede yung 5% na error. Okay? So again, okay na tayo dyan. We're just going to click continue. Okay? Okay na ba tayo? I guess we're okay. And then, let's just click okay. Ayun. Oh, ito na yung result ng ANOVA natin. Okay, di ba isang click lang na andyan na. Unlike before, I still remember, nung una ako nagturo ng statistics around 2012, grabe, I'm teaching this sa blackboard. Sinosolve ko siya from the first step up to the last step. And then you're gonna say at the end whether you're going to reject or accept the null hypothesis. So, it's very lengthy kasi masasakop mo yung dalawang board just for you to to compute for one research question in ANOVA. Pero with the SPSS, everything is so efficient. Okay? Ayan. So again, naandito yung ating data, important data for one-way ANOVA. Okay? So ang pinakamahalaga dito, etong table na to. Ay, nakikita nyo ba? Wait. Sorry, hindi nyo nga pala nakikita, no? Wait, hindi nyo nakikita yung result. Hindi nyo naman ako sinasabihan. Sorry. Wait. Ayan. Sorry, hindi ko na flash yung ano. Ayan. Ito na yung result. Ibang window kasi yung result sa SPSS, nakakaloka. Kaya pala yung kaninang tab lang yung binuksan natin yung nakikita nyo. But the result ito, another na siya. Nakikita nyo na yung result? Okay? Ayan. So dito makikita natin yung ANOVA table. This is the most important table that we have here. So, makikita natin yung between groups, within groups, okay, degrees of freedom, and then so on and so forth, then the mean square. This is the ANOVA value with 7.645. Okay, so this is our ANOVA. Okay, but the most important part here is the significant level. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a query. Is this significant? Yes or no? Significant ba siya? Okay? Significant siya. Yes, tama yon. Significant siya. Bakit? Kasi di ba yung significant level natin 0.05. So pag ang significant level natin dito is below 0.05, then there's a significant difference between the three types of what? Psychotherapy. Or there's a significant difference between the psychotherapy and resilience level among our participants. Okay po? Ayan. Kasi, again, ang significant level natin is 0.05. But then, the significant level here is below 0.05, which is 0.002. So, if that is your significant level, then again, there, again, you're going to reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is a significant difference between the psychotherapy and the resilience level among our participants. Okay? Now, sinabi ko to kanina, di ba? Pag may significant difference, then pwede natin gamitin yung post hoc or also known as what? Multiple comparison. So dito natin malalaman sa tatlong kinompare natin nasaan doon yung significant difference. Okay? I hope we're still clear. Again, pag may question, i-type agad sa chat box. Now, kung makikita natin, eto, nasaan yung significant difference? Reality therapy tsaka CBT, anong significant value niya or level? 0.03. Okay, yun, naandito. Naandito yung ano, yung significant. Dito, kay reality therapy and CBT kasi 0.003. Next, okay? Meron din ba si reality therapy tsaka narrative therapy? Tingnan natin. Uy, meron din kasi ang significant level ay 0.020. Okay? Yun. Next, CBT reality therapy, ayan nga, 0.003, so meron. Okay? Um, CBT to narrative therapy, 0.080, so wala. Okay? Narrative to reality therapy, meron. Pero narrative to CBT, wala. Okay? So from that, out of three comparisons that we have, merong significant doon sa dalawang comparison natin na kay nino, kay reality therapy to CBT, okay? Tsaka kay nino, kay reality therapy to narrative therapy. Okay? Meron significant difference doon. Again ito yung ginagawa ng post-hoc. Sa multiple comparison, hinahanapan natin nasan doon ang significant. And in our hypothetical example, makikita natin siya kay, again, reality therapy versus CBT and reality therapy to narrative therapy. Narrative therapy. Pero walang difference kay CBT and narrative therapy. Are we clear? Yun. So, ibig sabihin, okay? Ibig sabihin, guys, if we're going to write your results, okay, ang sasabihin nyo is, there is no, okay, or balik muna tayo, sige, balik muna tayo sa hypothesis. Again, ang hypothesis natin, null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between psychotherapy and your resilience level. So here, nakita natin na sagot ng ANOVA table na there is significant difference. Therefore, we're going to reject the null hypothesis. So pag ni-reject natin ang null hypothesis, there is what? Significant difference. So kasi nga, ni-reject natin ang null hypothesis. So dahil may significant difference, hahanapin natin yung significant among the multiple comparisons. So ito nga yung nakita natin. Reality therapy kay CBT, then reality to NARA narrative therapy. Okay, so ito yung bibigyan nyo ng explanation. Ito yung bibigyan nyo ng pansin in terms of your discussion and explanation. Okay? Ayan. Now, in terms of writing the multiple comparisons or yung significant difference, ituturo natin yan sa chapter 9. Okay? Basta mag-focus lang tayo ngayon sa pag-get ng results. Are we clear? So here, ito yung i-report nyo. There, reject the null hypothesis and there is no ano ba? Reject the null hypothesis, there's a significant difference. And specifically, yung significant is makikita natin sa comparison ng reality therapy, CBT, and reality therapy to, what do you call this? Narrative therapy. Okay? Ayan. So, again guys, pag naglagay kayo ng table sa inyong IMRAD, as much as possible, APA. Sir, ano bang nilalaman ng IMRAD namin? Ito. Ito yung nilalaman ng IMRAD niyo. Etong table, ano ba table? Tapos, kung may significant difference, eto, isasama niyo yung post hoc. Okay? Sir, paano kung ano? Paano po kung wala namang significance si ano ba? No need to include the post hoc. Okay po? Ayan. Clear na tayo dyan, ha? Okay. So, stop share na tayo. Okay? Yan. So, mag-share screen ulit tayo. Okay na tayo sa one-way ANOVA, ah? Right now, we're going to proceed with another test. Okay? Yan. Nakikita niyo na ulit? Again, okay lang ba sa inyo, guys? Let's just use the same example. Oo, para hindi na tayo mag-ano. Pero ngayon, ang gagamitin na natin ay t-test. Okay? To be specific, we're going to utilize the t-test independent. Okay? So, ang gawin natin, sige, magpalit na pala tayo, guys. Kasi hindi pala siya na-delete. Wait. Cancel. No. Okay. Tapos, no. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, mag-open ulit tayo since we're going to have a new research or data set. Open ulit natin ito. Ang dami nating transition, grabe. Okay. So, share screen ulit tayo. Ng ano ito. Yan. So right now, we're going to discuss, we're going to navigate the t-test independent, okay, using the SPSS. Okay, ayan. So again, pag sinabi natin independent t-test, what are the assumptions? So number one, it should be parametric, okay? And then again, yung independent variable natin is nominal categorical with at least with two levels, and then ang dependent variable natin should be interval and ratio. Okay? Ayan. Ano bang magandang example natin dito? Okay. So, sige, ganito. Ang gawin nating example is, again, psychotherapy ulit. Okay? Tapos, ang ating dependent variable is level of depression. Okay, so titingnan natin is anong psychotherapy ang effective or there's a significant difference between the psychotherapy and the level of depression, and at the same time para makita natin anong psychotherapy ang mas effective in terms of level of depression. Okay? Ayan. So here, ang gagawin natin dito is let's say, gawin natin itong 1. 1 represents the reality therapy. Okay? So gawin natin at least 30 ang ating participants. And then number 2, CBT naman siya. Ayan. Again guys hypothetical data lang to. So wala tong katotohanan. Okay? Next, sa column 2 natin, okay, dito naman natin ilagay yung level of depression. So let's say for example, gumamit tayo ng isang scale or isang test na nagme-measure ng depression at ang possible na figure na lalabas, hypothetical, is 1 to 10. Okay? And so tingnan natin. Um, Yan. So 1, 3, 2, 4. Ay, wait. 5. Okay. Tapos guys, let's say for example, ang tawag dito, ang scale natin, ang direction niya is that the more na mas mababa yung scale niya, okay, doon sa depression scale, mas okay. Kasi ibig sabihin, mas nababawasan yung depression symptoms mo or yung level ng depression. Okay, next, number 2, let's say it pertains to CBT. So ito naman yung kanyang level of depression. Again, these are just hypothetical. 9, 9, and then 7. Okay po. So again, let's proceed with the variable view. Okay, here again, the name is psychotherapy. Okay, numeric, again, wala naman tayo masyadong gagalawin dyan except here for values. But before that, let's change the measure into nominal and then the values here. Okay, so 1 pertains to reality, reality therapy. Okay, then add, and then 2 pertains to CPT. Then add, and then click OK. Yan. Next, let's proceed with the dependent variable. Again, our dependent variable is level. Yan. Again, guys, hindi kayo pwedeng gumamit ng spacing dito. So, pwede kayong gumamit nito. Level of depression. Yan na lang, level of depression para hindi mahaba. Okay. And then, again, ano yung measure niya? Interval or ratio or scale. Okay. Let's proceed here. Yan. So, tingnan natin dito. Yan, no? Nagbabago yung values niya from numerical into names, vice versa. Okay? So, are we good? Right after we encode our hypothetical data? Yes, we're good. And then right after this, we're going to click again, analyze. And then, saan tayo pupunta? Dito ulit, kay compare means. So, we're going to click what? Okay, analyze, compare means. And then, eto, independent sample t-test. Okay, and then click. And then, ito yung makikita nyo. So again, okay, ang grouping variable natin, ito, yung psychotherapy. Okay, yan. Ang test variable natin or dependent variable, yung level of depression. Now, may question mark dito. Anong gagawin natin? We need to click this and then we need to define groups kasi nga categorical siya. So group 1, again, it pertains to reality therapy. So we're going to numerically represented by 1 and then group 2 or the CBT will be numerically represented by 2 and then click continue. Okay? Options. Can we use options? Okay na yan, 95% or 0.05. Okay? Just leave it there. Okay? Tingnan nga natin tong bootstrap. Okay? Yan. Huwag na lang natin yung pakialaman. Okay? So, are we okay? I guess we're okay. And then, let's click. Okay. Ayan na naman. No? Hindi nyo na naman nakikita yung results. So, stop share ko ulit siya. Okay. And then, share screen. And then, this one. Okay? Nakikita nyo na po? Okay, so ito na yung result ng t-test natin. So here, okay, ito yung gusto ko kay kay SPSS. May mga bagay na hindi ka hinihingi pero pinapakita niya. Let's say for example, di ba yung N or number of respondents, ito na andito. Next, mean. Ito yung mean, no? Makikita mo yung mean. Ito na, standard deviation. Oh, naandito na rin yung standard deviation. Di ba? Yan. So here makikita natin sino mas mataas ang average kay CBT. Okay, from this, pwede natin sabihin na yung mean ni CBT mas mataas, ibig sabihin, mas mataas pa rin ang level ng depression sa mga taong nag-undergo o nag-undergo ng CBT. Whereas si reality therapy, yung level of depression niya naging 4 na, ibig sabihin bumaba. Pero kung mapapansin natin, kanino mas disperse ang score o yung variability niya. Ang sabi natin kanina, the more na mas mataas yung standard deviation, mas disperse ang score niya. So from here, we can look at, okay, or we can derive na mas disperse ang score ng mga participants na nag-undergo ng CBT kesa doon sa nag-undergo ng reality therapy. Okay? Ayan. Pero ang tanong talaga, is there significant difference? Tingnan natin. Oh. Okay? Ito guys, ang titingnan natin, ito. Can you follow guys? Ito. Yung significant difference sa dulo. Okay? Gets? Okay? Ayan. Now, here, we can see na tingnan nyo yung significance level. This is lower than 0.05. Therefore, we're going to what? Reject the null hypothesis that there is significant difference between psychotherapy and at the same time doon sa level of depression. So, ibig sabihin, nagkaka-impact si psychotherapy or nakapekto sa psychotherapy doon sa level of depression. Okay? So from this, pwede rin nating i-expound na mas magaling si reality therapy or mas effective si reality therapy kesa kay CBT. Bakit? Kasi dito, mas bumaba yung level of depression sa reality compared dun kay CBT. And take note, the discrepancy. 3. Di ba? 3 points yung discrepancy in terms of average. So malaki yun. Okay? Yun. So that's one or another of what do you call this? Interpreting the result. Okay? And you're going to put that into your discussion. Okay po? Yan. So, is there any question with Tita's independent? Any question, guys? Tita's independent? Okay, so I guess wala. So let's just stop here. Okay. And next. Guys, kindly inform yung mga natapos na sa class nila, tawag dito, pwede silang humabol sa ating session. Okay. Pasensya na guys, mukhang abutin yata tayo ng alas 5. Okay. Next, magbubukas ulit tayo ng another SPSS na blank. So we're done with one way ANOVA, we are done with Titas Independent. Okay. Siguro right now, let's proceed with Titas Dependent. Okay? Ayan. Again, sa Titas Dependent naman, ang assumption natin, again, it should be parametric. And then you have your independent variable should have this nominal and it is tawag dito, dependent. Okay? So you're going to measure the same subject twice. Okay? So usually nga, as I mentioned a while ago, ito yung mga before and after. Okay po? Ayan. So, ano bang magandang example? Before and after. Okay, sige. Let's say for example, na-share ko na ba? Parang hindi pa, no? Wait. Hindi pa pala ako nag-share ng screen. Okay, yan. So again, dependent variable na tayo. So here, let's say for example, our hypothesis is there is no significant difference between, ano ba? Ano ba magandang example? Um, Sabihin na lang natin psycho education on, let's say, ghosting. Okay? At ang ating dependent variable ay self-worth. Can you follow? Self-worth. That's our dependent variable. Okay? So, sa first column, what we're going to do with this first column is we're gonna include the self-worth of your participants before the psychoeducation in mindfulness. Okay? Let's say, for example, ang mindfulness nila before is, again, this is hypothetical data from 50 to 100. Let's say, for example, is 56, 57, 58, 65, 50, 51, ano pa? 78, 67, 70, 71, 63, so 78, ano pa? 56, 64, 63, yan. So ito yung before. Ito naman yung naging level ng self-worth nila right after the psychoeducation on mindfulness. We have 89, 78, 89, 91, 93, 93, 88, 76, 75, 77, 68, 98, 90. Ay, sorry. Mali pala to. It should be 88. 88, yan. 78, okay. 69, 90. Okay? So, gagawa natin siya ng, of course, specification. So, this is what? Yung pre. Pre or before the mindfulness program. Okay? So, ang measurement natin ay scale. Next, yung column 2 naman natin, ang pangalan niya ay post-mind or after ng mindfulness psychoeducation. At ang measurement niya ay scale ulit. Okay? So, we're done with the volume review or sa specifications of our data. So, now we're going to proceed with our data view. Okay, so here we're going to click again the analyze. Okay, yan. And then we read analyze. Okay, compare means, and then we're going to click ito, paired sample t-test. Tandaan nyo to this is very important. And then, yan. Okay? So dito, gagawin natin, of course, we're going to click this and then click this. Okay? Let's see our options. Okay na yan, options natin. Continue. Naka-default na siya. Okay? Are we okay na? I guess we're okay. Then, just click okay. Yan. Again, guys, mag-stop share ako. Okay? To share the result of the test. Dependent. Okay? Yan. Kita nyo na? Okay? So here makikita natin, guys, na eto, makikita natin na yung pair 1, yung pre, okay, yung test before or yung result ng self-worth nila, okay, before the mindfulness psychoeducation at yung post score ng self-worth nila right after ng post-mindfulness psychoeducation. So again, ito yung mean. So yung mindfulness niya, yung mean niya 63, yung post niya ay 84. Yung N niya 15, yung standard deviation niya, ito 8.68 and 9.73. Okay? So mas disperse. Okay, pagdating sa mean, mas mataas ang mean ng post, what do you call this? Post mindfulness education compare sa pre, which is no-brainer, right? Kasi syempre, mas tataas ang self-worth mo, di ba? Right after ng isang psychoeducation program. And then sa standard deviation naman, mas disperse ang score ng mga nasa yung after din ng post-mindfulness psychoeducation. Okay? Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Ayan. So, makikita natin na ayan ito yung mahalaga dito. This one. Yung tita's value is negative 5.990. Okay? Ayan. Nag-negative siya kasi ito. Okay? You sort of multiply, divide this, kaya naging negative. And then, decrease of freedom is 14. And then, ito yung mahalaga, yung significant level. Okay? So, t-value is negative 5.990. And then, significant ba yung difference na? Yes or no? Anong sinasabi? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, anong ibig sabihin nun? So, there's a reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there's a significant difference between the mindfulness psychoeducation program, okay, and their level of self-worth. Ibig sabihin, dahil may significant difference, pwede nating sabihin na effective. Can you follow, guys? Effective ang mindfulness psychoeducation sa pagpapataas ng self-worth among your participants. Okay? So that's how you're going to interpret that. Okay po? Ayan. Again, ito yung titingnan mo. Significance, tsaka ito. Yung table na ito, paired sample test. Ito, and then ayan. And then for descriptive, ito yung titingnan mo naman. Yung nasa taas. Okay? Yung mean tsaka standard deviation. Okay? Ayan. So makikita natin na yung mean dito, di ba, 63. Okay? Ang mean ng post-minded is 84. Ibig sabihin, yung change in terms of their average is significant. yung change sa self-worth nila from 63 to 84 is significant in nature using the paired sample t-test. So therefore, from that, we can see na effective nga, okay, yung paggamit natin ng mindfulness psychoeducation. Kaya guys, with this, mag-gauge niyo yung mga experiment nyo kung effective or not among your participants. Okay? Ayan. So stop na natin dito and we're going to open another tawag dito, SPSS na blank. So we are done with one-way ANOVA. We are done with TTS dependent, TTS independent. Right now, we're going to proceed with Man-Whitney U test. Okay. Again, sorry, hindi na naman ako nakapag-share, hindi niyo naman ako ini-inform. Okay. So, we're going to screen share. Ito, blank. Ayan. So, we're going to have a new blank, what do you call this? SPSS, okay? And here, right now, we're going to discuss the Man-Whitney U test. Again, pag non-parametric, t-test independent. At yung counterpart nito sa non-parametric ay Man-Whitney U test. So again, ang assumption, okay, is non-parametric. Okay? Tapos, ang independent variable niya ay nominal with two levels at ang kanyang dependent variable ay interval ratio. Okay? Ayan. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have our hypothetical data. Okay? So, ano bang magandang study? Ang study naman natin ngayon ay may significant difference ba? Okay? Isang, let's say, for example, is Kundalini Yoga. Di ba may experiment kayong, did I pronounce it right? Kundalini Yoga tsaka gender. Okay? Yan. Is there significant difference between the Kundalini Yoga among males and female? Okay? So, yun yung magiging ano natin. Hypothesis. So here, pwede natin ilagay dito is one, okay, it's the numerical representation of male, okay, at sa babae naman ay 2. Okay, then here, lagay natin dito is yung kanilang, what do you call this? Ano ba? Ano bang magandang ano? Siguro yung ano na lang, no, mental health nila right after the Kundalini Yoga. Okay? Ayan. So again, this is just, what do you call this? Hypothetical data from 50 to 100. Okay? And it is something to do with their mental health. So, 78, 77, 76, 56, 79, 90, 98, 97, and then 63. For female naman, 78, 89, 89, 90, 67, 65, 50, 51, 75, and then 78. Okay po? And then let's proceed with variable view. And then here, okay, let's enumerate or let's specify your independent variable. Okay, so here we have the gender. And here we have, again, it's something to do with nominal Okay, so we need to have the values. Okay, so 1 is for male and 2 is female. So, okay. And then this one is mental health. Yeah. And then, sorry. Again, mental underscore health. Okay? And then, ang measure niya ay, ang daming tab na lumalabas. Huwag kayong makulit. Scale. Okay? And so let's proceed here. Okay? So again guys, yung independent variable natin, yung gender. Yung dependent variable natin, yung mental health. Okay? Ayan. And then, ang context ng study natin, let's say for example, katatapos lang nilang mag-Kundalini Yoga. Okay? Yun yung context. So let's proceed with analyze. And then we're going to, wait. Ito, non-parametric. Sa non-parametric, ang gagamitin natin ay legacy dialogues. And under legacy dialogues, tandaan nyo to guys ha, okay? Kindly click two independent samples. Okay, kasi nga, Man with Me is counterpart siya ng independent t-test. Yan. So again, here, sa test variable list, ito yung dependent variable natin. So that's mental health. And then sa grouping variable natin, dyan naman yung gender. And of course, we're going to define them. Okay, so group 1 pertains to male and group 2 pertains to female. And then click continue. Okay, let's see our options. Okay, sige, siguro let's type the descriptive or here we can see the mean and the standard deviation. So check natin yan. And then click continue. Okay? Are we good? Ayan, makikita nyo na naka-check na yung Man-Whitney-U test. Okay? So wala na tayong babaguhin dyan. So since we're done, ito na yan. Okay? Ayan. So, hindi nyo naman pala nakikita. Okay. So we're going to stop share this and to share the result. Okay. Share. Yan. Okay, makikita niyo na po. So here makikita natin no, yung rank kasi again na Man-Whitney is non-parametric. Ordinal po ito. Unlike dito sa independent t-test, ang dependent variable niya ay interval ratio. Okay, kasi parametric yun. Okay, so gender, male, female, ito makikita natin. Yan. Yung rank ng male is 11.95 in terms of their mental health after the Kundalini Yoga. Ang mga female naman ay 9.05. Okay? Ayan. So here, okay, makikita natin, okay, Man-Whitney-U table or test statistics. Ayan. Actually, ang mahalaga dito ito, yung z-value, which is negative 1.100. Okay? Tsaka ang mahalaga dito ay ito, yung two-tailed. Okay? Yung significance. So, significant ba siya? Yes or no? Again, significant ba siya? For it to be significant, as much as possible, it should be less than 0.05. Since our significant level is 0.271, which is greater than 0.05, therefore, we're going to accept the null hypothesis that there is no significant difference between gender and mental health after the administration of Kundalini Yoga. Again, hindi natin sinasabi na hindi effective ang Kundalini Yoga. We're not talking about it. What we're trying to say is that in terms of comparing the gender, okay, in terms of their mental health after, taking the Kundalini Yoga, walang significance. Ibig sabihin, same lang ang mental health ng mga nag-undergo ng Kundalini Yoga regardless of their gender. Nagkakanawaan tayo? Are we good? I hope that is clear, guys, ha? Okay? So, walang difference ang mental health ng lalaki at babae after nila mag-take ng Kundalini Yoga. Okay? That's how you interpret that. Okay po? Yun. So, i-ano natin to? No, I do not want to. Okay? Okay. Next. Okay. Last. Grabe, inabot na tayo ng alas 5. Okay. So last naman natin is yung Wilcoxon signed rank test. Okay? Okay. Let me share it. Sobrang ang dami ng nakabukas na tabs and windows here. Okay. Share. So again, when we talk about parametry, okay, and then you're gonna compare related groups, then you're going to utilize the Titus dependent. If it is parametric, and if it is non-parametric, okay, and your goal is again to compare or to know the difference between related groups and it is non-parametric, ang gagamitin natin ay Wilcoxon signed rank test. Okay? Nagkakaunawaan tayo? So again, it is something to do with ano no, parang before and after. Okay? Yan, before and after. Pero non-parametric siya. Ano bang maganda example? Siguro ang gawin nating example ay social interest. Okay, yan. So, ang ating variable, okay, is tumaas ba ang social interest ng mga first year student after nilang matapos ang whole academic year. Okay, so that's the background of our research. Okay, so again, what we would like to study is nag-increase ba ang social interest ng mga first-year students after finishing their first-year level sa BPSU? Okay? So, again, itong unang column natin, ito yung degree or level ng social interest among first year nung papasok pa lang sila sa BPSU or incoming first year. Okay? So, ito yung pre-test. Okay? So, these are hypothetical data from 50 to 100. Let's say, for example, 67, 66, 56, okay, 50, 67, 78, 88, 87, okay, 50, then 51. Okay? Now, ito naman is yung social interest ng mga first-year student after ng one academic year. Okay, so again, hypothetical data from 50 to 100. 78, 90, 89, 70, naging 79, naging 95, naging 99, naging 89, then naging 79, naging 80. So let's proceed with data view, variable view, sorry, rather. Okay, and then let's make it specific. So I'm going to type pre, okay, akad here. Okay, and the measure is scale. Dito naman, okay, post, akad, and this is scale din. Okay, so are we good? Let's proceed with data view and click analyze. And then let's proceed here in non-parametric. And then pick legacy dialogues. And then after legacy dialogues, let's proceed with two related sample titas. Yan. Okay. So again, we're going to pair pre-ACAD tsaka post-ACAD. Ayan o, ano na yung Wilcoxon, naka-check na siya. So we're not going to change anything in this bottom part of our box. Exact, let's see. Okay, okay naman to. Huwag na natin pakialaman to. And then options. Okay, we can check these descriptives for us to see the mean and standard deviation. And then click continue. Are we okay? I guess we're okay. Yun. So I'm going to stop share this and share the interpretation of Wilcoxon. Okay, eto na yun. So, ito makikita natin yung descriptive stat ng pre-ACAD in terms of their social interest at post-ACAD in terms of their social interest. So, pre-ACAD 66, post-ACAD 84 in terms of their social interest. Standard deviation, mas diverse or heterogeneous ang data set ng mga nasa pre-ACAD compared to post-ACAD. And sa ranks, again Wilcoxon, ordinal siya. Kaya may makikita kayong mga ranking. Okay? Ayan. Pero ang pinaka-importante, ito, yung Wilcoxon table. Okay? So if we're going to notice, the Z value is negative 2.807. Kasi sinubtract natin ito. Kaya nag-negative siya. Now, okay, ito din yung mahalaga. Okay, yung significant level. Okay, ano yung significant level? 0.005. Again, if it is less than 0.05, then reject the null hypothesis, which means, or therefore, there is a significant difference between the what? The academic year, okay, and their what do you call this? Social interest. Okay? So anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin nun is yung pag-aaral nila ng psychology within 1 year is tumaas yung social interest nila. Di ba, pag nag-aaral ka ng psychology, the more na mas naunawaan mo yung mga ibang tao, at since naunawaan mo na yung ibang tao, it's much easy for you to help them. Eh di ba, social interest is a concept from what? From Alfred Adler, which is something to do with helping others or community feeling or, helping others with what you can. Okay? Ayun. So that's how you're gonna interpret that. Okay? Ayun. So, no. Okay? Okay. So, I guess, guys, that's the end of our class. Okay? Do you have any questions or queries? So I guess we can stop the recording. Paki-stop na po yung recording natin.